Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can pre-register for Battleground mobile India apps on your Google Play Store. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So if you try to search from here, let me just search for BATTLE Battleground mobile India. If we search like this, you are not going to get this um, application, this game. So to get the pre-register features on your Google Play Store or App Store, what you have to do, you have to watch this video till the end. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here is, what you need to do, you can see here, if this is the video you are watching, then what you need to do here, you have to click on this arrow mark. I'm just showing you the particular video you have to do. So just click here, and then here you can see you'll get this link here. So just simply tap on this link and then click on Chrome browser, and then it will redirect you on this page. So you just need to click on pre-register option here, and then you can see here install when available. So just click on install when available, or remind later. So here you can see I have successfully pre-registered the Battleground mobile India application. So it is same on iOS and Android, and you can register. So scroll down and let us check it out. The graphics, it's something very cool. You can see here, absolutely fine. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video and if you want to support to this channel, please give up one thumbs up and subscribe to it. Thanks for watching.